that love must be there in that love element must be there in all actions. The idea of duty is another attachment to which we are all attached. Different duties come to us at different times. When we are children, when we are students, we have a kind of duty. When we are grown up, we have another kind of duty. When we are in society, we have another kind of duty, and we carry all of them. But if I love what I do, if I love the work that I do, I will do it, whether it is duty or not. If I love what I am doing, I will do it, whether it is a duty or not. That love must be there that love element must be there in all actions. If I do not love it, then I do it reluctantly, and it is nothing but a forced labor only. It does not bring any joy. Only those who are masters, they enjoy. They really feel the joy. Slaves do not enjoy the work. So Karma Yogi works out of love, not out of compulsion. Only such work is liberating. Sri Swami Vivekananda says, work as a master and not as a slave. Work as a master, not as a slave. So if we must do something, why not find ways to want to do it instead of unwillingly doing it? It's difficult, but we should want to do it. Even if the chores that we do not like, if we can start liking to do it, or if we can think of it as something that is essential for ourselves and for the society, then it will bring us joy. But if I do something without joy, without any love in it, it will not bring me any joy. So unwillingly we should not do any work. Firstly, since all work belongs to the Lord, belongs to the divine, we should train our mind to love it. Any action for that matter belongs to the divine. Secondly, in Karma Yoga, it is not what we do that matters as to how we do it. Of course, a Karma Yogi cannot do anything unethical, immoral. He will not be able to do anything like that at all, because all of the actions that are flowing through him or her is coming from the divine. Therefore, will not do anything unethical. Thirdly, a Karma Yogi makes a very conscious effort to rise above this idea of duty for love of God or for dharma, for the sake of dharma or for love of God. Another helpful practice is to remember that everything passes away, nothing lasts forever.